my clothes on.
Yeah, you gonna make me laugh?
Yeah.
Here's the deal. If we don't laugh, the comedian strips. If we laugh, the stripper strips.
I'm not stripping.
She's prepared. She's got layers.
No.
Voodoo.
Yes.
When I was trying to find strippers, and this lady came up with one right after another. She's like, oh, I have this friend, and then I have this other friend, and I have this other friend. And then she says, don't tell my husband. Ladies and gentlemen, Abby O! Abby stripper is Charlie Grove, who is a real fireman.
The fire backstage, my bush was burning.
That's a good joke right off the top.
Something off, Charlie. Let's get it started, right? Ladies, I've been married for 10 years, and my husband and I recently started trying Viagra. And when I mean we, I mean I, before I started slipping in his nightly beer. Oh, we're just getting started.
He is a cock tease.
Ladies, let me tell you something. Viagra has the exact same effect on our little guy that it's gonna have on your guy's guy, which was really cool for like the first 15 minutes. I was like, fuck yeah. Ooh, feels so good. And then all of a sudden my vagina became like the Audrey 2 from Little Shop of Horrors. And I was like, "Feed me dick!"
Let's hear it for Charlie. He is a total clit tease.
He is. So I ended up in the emergency room for a clitoral erection that lasted longer than 4 hours. I was pretty embarrassed.
Yes?
Yeah.
Good job. No. Oh, Abby. Take something off, girl. That's tit for tat.
So I have 5 children. Clearly I put out, right?
That's a good joke. Yeah.
Yes. And you know, when you have a big family, everybody feels the need to ask questions, like whether or not we're Mormon. And one of my favorite questions is, you guys are done, right? Yeah, I figured out how to stop it. I started doing anal. It's foolproof birth control. I was on a field trip recently with my 5-year-old. I brought a flask.
That's a good joke right there.
Ooh, bitches. Lame. It's like a super classy flask though. It has like mother of pearl. And I did a little snooter and those fucking bitches were like, oh my god, she has a flask. And I was like, calm down, bitches. It's not a bomb in a backpack. I'm riding on the bus. I'm not driving it. My 5-year-old was like, yeah, mommy needs her medicine.
Let's hear it for Charlie! Yeah! Charlie is in the hot fireman's calendar, by the way, everybody.
Oh yeah. So speaking of really good parenting, my 13-year-old son came up to me recently and said, so mom, what's a tramp stamp? And I was like, well, I have heard that it's a lower back tattoo. And he was like, doesn't that mean you have a tramp stamp? I said, no, mommy has a lower back tattoo. And he said, what's the difference? I said, about 1.5 inches in a marriage, right?
Pick it up, Charlie. She knows that one.
Oh, take it, ladies, all right? So, my husband and I were having sex recently, and I was on top. And I look over, and there's my 3-year-old daughter standing there like the fucking Village of the Damned. What do you want? What? She's like, Mommy, I need a glass of water. Like, do I go in the room and be like, yo, Mommy needs a dirty martini. Get up, get up, get up, get up. I'll just start doing that so they appreciate it, right? That's a joke.
That's a good joke. Yeah, let's take it off, Charlie. Now we're getting somewhere.
There we are. Hey. So my husband and I have had to start getting really creative with our having sex. So we've started having sex in the shower. And having sex in the shower is never as sexy as you envision it in your head. And it sure is.
That was a good joke. That was a good joke. Everybody in the audience, take something off. Take something off, bitches. There goes a hat. There we go.
And it sure as shit doesn't look like anything you're gonna see on Skinamax, ladies. So it usually results in my husband getting these ass burns, like these weird origami-like positions. And then when we finally figure it out, I'm like, ew.
I hear laughter. Oh, yeah. Do it, Charlie. Oh, my goodness. We are smoking. That is smoking.
Mouth or something. Like, I'm getting baked right now. What were we talking about? Oh, we were going to talk about blowjobs, right?
Hell yeah, we are.
Guys fucking love blowjobs, right? They're like your favorite thing ever. Start taking it. And let me tell you, ladies, the exact thing that I did to get the ring was the exact thing that stopped once I got it. So I have developed a plan for America. We are calling it the ABC plan. This is a change you can get behind, ladies. We are now giving blowjobs on anniversaries, birthdays, and credit card purchases over $250.
That was a good joke. Laughter and applause.
Oh, shit. But gentlemen, I feel like we have to have a very serious conversation. Pay attention. It's like a public service announcement. Oh, I know.
We don't care.
Thank you, Mom.
Gentlemen, pay attention. When a lady is sucking your dick and she gags, it's not because your dick's too big. Take a second. I know it hurts. Like, gentlemen, when a lady is sucking your dick and she gags, it's not because your dick's too big. It's because she can smell your fucking balls. All right? Deodorant for balls, and you guys would totally fucking buy that shit and be like, the baby. It's vanilla mist.
Charlie, are we going to jail?
And it tastes like cookies. And I don't care if you're fat or skinny, all bitches love cookies. The skinny ones, you just throw them up afterwards. But ladies, it goes both ways. It's because I've been at the gym all day long and you can pull my vagina apart like a grilled cheese. I won't even get into dipping it in tomato soup, right?
Charlie, let's see you work that.
Shit, right? It's, oh, God. right now. Ladies.